Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Miss Sini and I am the intern of Lexis and Company. So, in many of the videos, we have dealt with some theoretical or practical based legal knowledges. But in today's video, I am here with a different kind of video, and that is legal updates for the day, that is 19th May. So, let's get started. The first update is that plea filed before Rajasthan High Court seeking live streaming of all the cases related to COVID-19 situation of the state. A public interest litigation petition has been filed before the Rajasthan High Court seeking live streaming on public platform of all the cases related to COVID-19 situations in Rajasthan. The petition filed by Advocate Arpit Gupta placed reliance on the judgment of Supreme Court in Shweta Tripathi versus Supreme Court of India, in which the top court had allowed the petition seeking live streaming of court proceeding on the ground that public is entitled to be privy to court hearings while they have an impact on society at large. The court is at the judgment that held the right to know and receive information in the facet of Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A of the Constitution. The plea pointed out that due to the lockdown restriction, live streaming is the only way in which ordinary citizens can witness court proceedings, especially in matters of paramount importance like that of pandemic. Second update is that only 5 Kerala High Court benches to continue to sit from tomorrow. E-filing to continue. Physical filing allowed if e-filing is extremely difficult. The Kerala High Court has notified that only 5 benches would conduct sitting from tomorrow onwards through video conferencing. The physical copy of every case e-filed during COVID-19 lockdown is to be submitted within 45 days. Where physical filing will be done owing to difficulty in e-filing, the e-copy is to be uploaded within 45 days. Third is Delhi court refuses to grant anticipatory bail to Olympic wrestler Sushil Kumar in murder case. A Delhi court on Tuesday refused to grant anticipatory bail plea to Olympiad wrestler Sushil Kumar in the murder case being probed by the Delhi police. The court added that the allegation against Sushil Kumar was serious in nature and that the record showed that prima facie he was the main conspirator. Fourth is plea in Supreme Court to halt Kerala LDF government public swearing in, banning all public gathering with more than 50 people throughout India for a month. A petition has been filed before the Supreme Court of India seeking ban on the upcoming public swearing in ceremony of the recently elected LDF Democratic Front LDF government in Kerala. The petitioner submitted that politicians are refusing to support lockdown restriction and only remedial is judicial intervention of Supreme Court banning all kind of public gathering with more than 50 people. Fifth is Delhi High Court seeking Delhi government response in PIL to treat public prosecutors as frontline workers. The Delhi High Court has issued notice in the public interest litigation petition to treat public prosecutors and staff of the city's prosecution department as frontline workers during COVID-19 pandemic. The petitioners has prayed that a dedicated COVID center has at least 100 beds with ICU ventilator facility to be set up for public prosecutor on urgent basis. Sixth is Andhra government intimidating media. Telugu news channel violates contempt of court petition for violating Supreme Court's order on COVID-19 coverage. Telugu news channel ABN Andhra Jyoti has filed a contempt of court petition against the government of Andhra Pradesh alleging violation of Supreme Court of India's order of 30 April which directed central and state government not to clamp down on citizens communicating their grievance related to COVID-19 via social media. ANB Andhra Jyoti is the second television channel to move the apex court in relation to this matter. Earlier, TV5 news channel had also approached the Supreme Court against the FIR registered against it by AP police. Seventh is Government of Punjab sanctioned ₹1 crore to Punjab Advocates Welfare Fund. With a view of providing aid to lawyers who have been affected by COVID-19, an amount of ₹1 crore has been sanctioned by the Government of Punjab to the Punjab's Advocate Welfare Fund. Minister Badal stated that Their telephonic request was made to him by his cabinet colleagues and Justice Jitendra Chauhan of Punjab and Haryana Court to aid lawyers who were affected by the pandemic. The last news for today is Punjab and Haryana High Court says live-in relations are not morally, socially acceptable. The Punjab and Haryana Court has dismissed a plea by a young couple who had sought the court's approval of their live-in relationship, stating such relations are not morally and socially acceptable. The couple, a 19-year-old woman from Uttar Pradesh and a 22-year-old man from Punjab, submitted that they want to get married shortly but suspected that their lives were in danger due to their family. So, these are the few updates of today that everyone should know. So, I will be back with yet another video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thank you.